Hello everybody and thanks for joining me. It is Monday, October the 31st. You're looking at a chart of the ES, the December contract, 65-minute chart, and what you're seeing is just a static shot. The price action today, it's just after regular trading hours, New York session, and the price action today was pretty slow after Friday's big squeeze. We did make a new high on Friday. So what I thought I would do is just talk about some of the levels here, talking over a static shot of the range that we've been trading in. The move got started here. That was the CPI print, followed by the huge reversal day that really got this whole trend started. We did retest the gap that was formed on that day, but the gap did not fill, which was bullish. A few days later, we tested the top of that gap. Price quickly moved away. Again, another bullish signal. That huge move up, by the way, another squeeze day, was on a Friday. It was the Friday before this past Friday. And then two things kind of interesting. One I was not expecting, but I'll go ahead and point them out. The first is where price wicked down into that gap, but it was rejected and the trend continued up. But that was really the first time that we had a test of the bottom of the gap during this move. And that was an indication to me that as far as the acceleration of the trend, things were starting to slow down. And then the second, which I did not expect, was after the Amazon earnings after hours, where we had the big sell-off and price went down and wicked right back into that same area. And again, it was rejected, and that's what led to Friday's big move. So for this week, I'm moving to more of a neutral bias. Of course, we have the big FOMC meeting. Shouldn't expect any surprises there, but at the same time, we should expect every kind of surprise out of the market. Non-farm payroll on Friday, and then we're going to be moving into midterm elections about this time next week. So I'm going to hold with the neutral bias. I am looking at that half-back level. If price were to move away from these recent highs, those would be target areas for me. Halfback and the gaps right in that area. So something that I got out of doing this video is it helps me keep the big picture in mind. It gives me an idea of the number of days that we have been in this trend, where halfback is, upcoming catalysts to the market, which are going to be important over the next week or so. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you for your time and attention, and good luck with trading.